Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the beautiful province of Sa Kaeo. My name is Mr. Jussi Sauranta. I am the CEO of Social Development Company, and it is my great pleasure to provide you a simple, quick introduction, sort of a grand tour for our new operational project site here in Sa Kaeo. So let's go here this way, guys. Just follow me. So what we see over here, once you enter the facility, on your right side you're going to be seeing the soon to be built learning center, together with our office space and our showroom and a learning center which we are executing together with the municipality of the district. In this learning center we are going to have few different areas that we're going to display. For example, how the oil is produced, what kind of products are being manufactured from oil, about the plastic waste problem, which we are all facing now globally, and then as the last part, our solution for this huge problem. So that will be taking place over here. Together with that, we'll have a office space, a meeting rooms, a classroom, and then a restaurant and a coffee shop. So whenever you guys come over here, we got a nice place to educate you, show what we do, and after that enjoy a nice lunch. Okay guys, let's continue the tour. Just right here behind me is the weighing station. What happens here is that the garbage trucks who come into this facility, let's say 5-6 times a week, they will basically come here fully loaded with domestic normal household waste, and they will drive right here on the weighing station where we can measure how much garbage is on the truck. So let's go take a look a little bit closer, guys. And this garbage that comes in is a mixture of all kinds of garbage. So there is your bio waste, food leftovers, maybe a little bit of metal, glass, paper, and obviously plastic. We estimate as of right now that approximately 30% of all the garbage that comes in as of today is plastic waste, which is obviously the most important raw material for us. Okay guys, let's continue our tour. So once the trucks are entering the area, they go through the weighing station, and after that they will enter this area. Now we are going to build another gate here, right behind me, where we are going to limit the access into the actual production facilities. On my right side over here you can see the waste separation areas. And we're going to go in there and you're going to see in more detail what takes place there at the moment. But basically in that area we separate all the incoming waste into different types of waste streams, such as for example bio waste, glass, metal, paper, and obviously the plastic. As of right now today, when there is no recycling process available for this waste plastic, what happens is that all the plastic that comes in here and that has been coming here into this facility already for many years gets currently dumped here into the landfill. You can see behind us, we're going to go and take a better look. There is currently approximately 30,000 tons of garbage on that landfill, and most of that garbage is plastic waste. So if you calculate it, in other words, there's about 30 million kilos of plastic waste right now in that landfill. So let's go learn more what we're going to do about it next. Thank you. Okay guys, very good. Let's continue to see how the separation works at the moment. So if you follow me please, when the garbage trucks arrive over there in this station, they will basically dump all of their waste right into this conveyor belt. So let's go take a look at that, guys. So here you have it, guys, the beginning of the process. So once the waste comes in here, it's poured, it gets dumped here into this conveyor belt, and from here it goes up into the top of the machine where it's getting separated into these different waste streams. So follow me this way, guys. So from here you get a very good view of the machine itself. So in this facility we will have approximately 10 people who are going to be focusing mainly on the separation process. They will be working on this conveyor, on this separation machine, and these will be the people that are then separating the waste from each other as it comes in. Very, very important job, guys. Not the most cleanest job, but if you're looking for a summer job or make a little extra income, we're hiring. You're always welcome here at the facility. Let's go a little bit more this way. These conveyor belts over here are for the bio-waste. So for example, all the food waste that comes from the garbage trucks would eventually come out from here, and it will go into this other separation, other line over here, and from here, if you take a look, it travels over there, and then behind you up to that station, and from there it leaves this building. This is what we call the warehouse number 1. It leaves the warehouse number 1 and goes into the warehouse number 2. That's where we process the rest of the bio-waste. Now, if we continue a little bit more over here. And it's a big facility, guys. You might not be able to see it in total, but this facility is a total of about 7 hectares. And we are now taking over this entire facility with all of its buildings, all of its machinery, everything that takes place here. So the plastic would eventually then come out from here, from this end of the separator. And here we are going to have some of our machines and our technologies to start packing the plastic waste into these very tight bales. So basically what we'll do is we'll take the loose plastic waste, we'll package, we compress it into very tight bricks, which weigh about 50 to 75 kilos each. And these bricks will then be injected into the actual chamber where we process it into fuel a little bit later on. All right, this is our warehouse number 2, where we store the most of our plastic garbage. So once we have taken it out from the separation machine, it goes into the baler. We pack it very tightly into these blocks, and we get to store them over here, where they can also be dried up and make sure that we don't have too much moisture in them. So keep them away from rain and that sort of thing. So here we are going to keep our main storage for these machines, and then we'll use the forklifts to pick them up from here and then taking them to the actual processing site where we start to convert them from plastic to fuel. Where others see a waste dump, others see a gold mine. Now, ladies and gentlemen, right there behind me is a landfill with approximately 30 million kilos of waste plastic. What you see here right now is the very tip of the iceberg. You see the top layer of a total of approximately 6 meters waste plastic that has been stored into this landfill. So the way that they operate it here is that they put about a meter of waste and they cover that one with a small layer of dirt. And then they add another meter of waste, again another small layer of dirt. Now, by utilizing the pyrolysis technologies, we are able to convert this waste into oil approximately 50% of its weight. This means that from that 30 million kilos of waste plastic, we can generate approximately 15 million liters advanced biofuel, which on the market holds an average market price of approximately 50 euro cents per liter. So that means that right there behind us right now is a raw material storage worth about 7.5 million euros. And each and every week we get more and more garbage, more and more gold delivered to our gold mine. That's what our business is all about. Hey everybody, and welcome to the beautiful Sa Kaeo province. My name is Jussi-Veikko Saloranta. I am the CEO of Socium Development Company, and I'm going to give you the final part of the tour here in Sa Kaeo today. We are at the waste to fuel processing facility of Socium Development that we are currently establishing for our final use. Now, what you see here behind me is a full-scale waste separation center, which we are now, in collaboration with the local municipality and the government, improving and developing by adding our plastic waste to fuel technologies. So what you see here behind me is an area where the local garbage trucks will come and deliver the normal mixed waste coming from different households. And to walk you through the process, what happens here is that the garbage goes into this warehouse number 1, where it travels through a conveyor belt and waste separation system, where we separate the different types of garbage, such as bio-waste, such as metals, glasses, paper, and obviously what is the most important for us is the plastic waste. Once the plastic waste has been separated, we package it into very tight 50 to 75 kilo bricks, and then it's ready to be put into our pyrolysis system. We use both the incoming domestic waste, which we separate, and we have here an amazing raw material storage of approximately 30 million kilos of waste plastic. This plastic has been stored here in the landfill over the last many years, and what's great for us is that the nature has already done a great part of the separation. So basically everything that you see over there is waste plastics. There's no more bio waste, it's already been deteriorated, and so on and so on. Anything with value, metals, glasses, everything has been picked out already long time ago. So what we do is we take the new incoming waste, which this facility receives approximately 17,000 kilos per day, and we use the plastic from our great storage, our gold mine of 30 million kilos. We process it, we package it, and then we bring it here to the most important area of the site, which is our soon-to-be plastic to fuel processing site. So in this area, right there behind me, in this area where there right now is some grass growing, next week, ladies and gentlemen, next week, we are going to break ground and start laying the foundation with concrete, building up the storage warehousing, and then bringing in the first machine, which is already here in Thailand, approximately 2 hours away on our other storage, just waiting for us to get the layout done so we can bring it in here. And we are extremely happy about the collaboration that we've had with the municipality, the local government, and obviously all of you great leaders and members and followers of Ecovo and our investors and project partners who are supporting this mission and are part of our great cause of removing the plastic waste from our environment and turning it into liquid gold, the advanced biofuel. Ladies and gentlemen, it's my great pleasure to send you this update here from today, and we're going to be sharing with you more information as the construction now starts. And our target is that within this June 2020, we're going to be able to produce the first batch of oil right here from this land behind me. Thank you guys. Let's stay tuned. Thank you.